Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for March 21st, 2013. It's currently 7:43 a.m. and we have temperatures that are a bit chilly for this time of year. Certainly, looks like winter is not giving way very easily this spring. Well, what we have here are temperatures in the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior, lower to mid 20s over northeastern Pennsylvania, lower to mid 30s over the New York City metropolitan area and also the Philadelphia metropolitan area and along the New Jersey coast, with a north to northwesterly wind anywhere from 5 to 15 miles per hour. And we do have some snow showers throughout the region. You can see on the radar we have these snow showers that have developed, and they have developed due to a disturbance that is right off of the Delmarva Peninsula. Now, as this disturbance intensifies and shifts to the east, these snow showers will push towards the New Jersey coast and off the coast by noon this morning. I really don't expect much in the way of accumulation. Maybe a trace on some grassy surfaces. Other than that, this is going to quickly move off of the east coast, producing visibility around 4 miles in some of the heavier snow showers. But again, no accumulation, just something to keep an eye on as you are driving with your rush hour. Taking a look at the latest infrared satellite picture, you can see one very impressive storm developing off the east coast here. And we also have this area low pressure right around the Delmarva Peninsula. And then we have a disturbance between these two storms. Well, this really isn't a storm, it's just a disturbance interacting with this storm, thus producing enhanced lifting and a few scattered snow showers. All of this will lift to the east-northeast off of the coast and away from the region, with temperatures rebounding this afternoon into the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior and lower to mid 40s along the coast. Taking a look at the latest water vapor satellite picture, you can see a very impressive negative NAO pattern developing over the western Atlantic, and that is going to keep us rather chilly through the weekend, with temperatures struggling in the 40s, unfortunately well below normal for this time of year. We could see a few lower 50s over southern New Jersey as the March sun warms up the atmosphere just a bit. And as you can see, we have another strong disturbance moving into the Rockies. This is going to have to be watched for Monday, with the potential for some heavy rain, possibly some interior snow from Monday morning through Monday afternoon, and also the potential for coastal flooding. Taking a look at the latest European model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website. Using the European model guidance this morning because it's been the most consistent thus far, and the GFS has shifted to the European idea here. Now here we are for this evening. Again, this low pressure system shifts off the coast. The sky snow showers exit, and we end up with drying conditions this afternoon with temperatures in the lower to mid 40s along the coast. By tomorrow, take a look at what we have here in place. We end up with a upper level low shifting and developing over the Canadian Maritimes. We also have our low pressure system lifting to the north and east, and that means high pressure is in control. And high pressure is going to remain in control throughout this upcoming weekend with dry conditions. But notice our strong disturbance diving through the Tennessee River Valley, shifting towards the mid-Atlantic coast. So Sunday afternoon, look for increasing clouds. Again, temperatures remaining chilly, generally in the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast, about 5 to 10 degrees below normal for this time of year. By the time we get into Monday morning, now this low pressure system is going to rapidly deepen and then move east. On Monday morning through Monday afternoon, look for the potential for periods of rain along the coast, potential for interior snowfall. Now, this time of year, you need a much colder air mass than what's in place to produce snowfall down towards the coastline. We'll have to watch this storm because it does intensify rapidly just to the east of Delaware, and that could enhance the cold anomalies or cold air that's sitting up at the mid-levels. So we're going to have to watch this storm very carefully, but right now it looks like primarily a rain threat along the coast, possibly some interior snowfall depending on how expansive this precipitation shield is and how fast this storm exits off the coast before it really bombs out to the east of Delaware. So this is going to have to be something that we're going to have to watch very carefully for Monday morning and Monday afternoon. Thereafter, high pressure takes control for Tuesday and Wednesday, with temperatures again remaining below normal in the mid to upper 40s over the interior, upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast, running again 5 to 10 degrees below normal for this time of year, with our negative NAO pattern in place with a strong upper level low around the Canadian Maritimes and ridging over Greenland, and colder air as a result over the northern mid-Atlantic. However, there is some good news here. As we look at the models beyond 7 days, we see a shift in this pattern more towards the upper level low towards Iceland, and that would lead to what's called an east-based negative NAO pattern. If that takes shape, then that means that the warm air that's building over the Rockies and the plains will have the capability of shifting east. Take a look at day 7, where we have cold air basically over the plains. And as we move forward through day 10, you see that warm air shifting east. And what I'm expecting here is that as this upper level low shifts more towards Iceland, we get the potential for a little bit more ridging over the Mississippi River Valley and the Tennessee River Valley. And that could push in some milder air and get us back towards normal for the first full week of April. Just in time for Easter. But that is your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. You can follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.